Good morning, everyone. It's Friday today, and yeah, I've just had a lot of vlogs lately, but I haven't been uploading because I haven't been editing. Well, I've been thinking, and I've seen other vloggers like this guy I like, Peter McKinnon, Maddie, and the rest of the people. Well, they're cool. They want to do videos. I want to do that. I want to video all my adventures and misadventures and everything that's happening in my day. Well, I just saw this other vlog from Left Coast from Levi Allen, and I'm looking at his colors and it's so nice. Got me wanting to do what he's doing, and also he's been living on the van also, and he does nice videos. So yeah, I look at his vlogs and they're so relaxing. I want to do it. So in saying that, I want to have my GH4 back because it's using a Lumix, and then I realized I wanted to have 1DX because Peter has it, but now that I have 1DX, I'm still not filming, so something's wrong there. Like, I even have Peter McKinnon's bag and everything else. I have a 60 before. I was following Casey once, but yeah, it's more about what you do and how you do it. So yeah, I'm gonna work with what I have right now. I have this very good RX 100 Mark V and a 1DX, and let's start vlogging. See how it goes. By the way, I usually am on the board heading to the train station, but today I'm walking to vlog. I kind of left my audio recorder. I used to have this lav mic with me to get good audio with the RX 100, and I left it. The good thing about it is I'll be concentrated in filming, not putting on my lapel. Let's see how it goes. Minimalist, and let's see how it goes. Oh yeah. A lot of times I've always said to myself that I'm gonna be vlogging seriously, and a lot of times I tried once and I can't move on and do another vlog. I don't know, it could be the editing, but it could be just wanting to do a very long vlog and end up doing nothing. So yeah, and I tend to think of a lot of things instead of focusing on filming. Anyway, I hope I do it right this time. I hope. Train's not yet there. Good for me. It's a Friday, by the way. I'm heading to work and I'm on my casual Porsche shirt because it's a Friday. Tomorrow's gonna be a Saturday. I'll be doing a wedding, Nikki's wedding. Hope you have fun tomorrow. Okay, there's the train station. Heading there now. Train's coming. Using the intelligent active stabilization, but it's so cropped. Switching standard for a much higher view. Put it right there. Train's coming in a few. Okay, train's here. Gotta get going now. Saan tayo papunta, bro? I'm heading with my girlfriends here, and head out.
Saan ba kami dadalhin?
Teka muna sa ATM.
Ano pa lang sa
Anong bibili natin?
ice cream na.
Ice cream.
Ano pa mabili ng mga...
Ano ba yung mabibili sa 1 million?
Lambo yan. Lambo na lang. Check off ko na. So, nag-test na naman tayo ngayon sa
Ano bang bilhin mo
testing
Ano bang bilhin mo
microphone.
Dito sa... Dito sa car. Dito sa...
So, yeah, I'm heading home. and Laura just fetched me. It's been a long day, and I forgot my audio recorder in my desk. I recorded a lot of audio earlier, and I left it in my desk. Oh my gosh. And I was waiting for a train, so I left it there. So I'm gonna get it Monday. Monday it is. Oh well. Yeah. But today it's a Friday, tomorrow's gonna be Saturday, and the next day is gonna be Sunday.
Oh wow, you know your days!
Yes. And it's now time to chill. Some chill music around. I just left my recorder. I just feel so bad. I don't know the lyrics. I want to sing along, but I don't know the lyrics. So I'm just gonna do this.
No, I'm trying to go.
Sorry. Fine. I don't know the lyrics, man.
Someday
Yeah, she knows the
we'll
lyrics.
come together and laugh with each other. These days.
She's singing it, but I can't show her the video. Oh well. What are we having for dinner?
Nothing.
Salmon again?
These days.
Salmon.
You can have scallops if you want.
Oh, scallops. Yeah, scallops good.
It's too hot though, right?
Yeah, it's too hot.
You want to sear the scallops? Or what?
No, I don't want to sear it. Just find it normal things.
What's normal scallops?
The one you always cook, adobo.
Not butter and cheese?
That's much better. Butter and cheese.
No.
Oh, butter and cheese scallops. That's
Saute
good.
lang.
Oh,
But I'm too lazy.
it's kind of warm today, and yeah, it's the
Very
second
warm.
day of spring. Summer is gone, and it's spring.
I know someday.
Anyway,
Together.
yeah, gonna go on.
And laugh with each.
So I'm prepping for tomorrow's wedding, and I got everything I need. I just got to prepare everything in my bag. So I got this Pelican case, which houses all my gears. I'm transferring them over to this bag here, because yeah, this Pelican case could have the laptop here and all the stuff, but I don't want to be lugging this around. I don't want to be carrying a big bag which is noisy and heavy, because I'll be transferring from one location to another. So I'll be using this bag here, which is think tank bag. I love think tanks. They're so good. Okay, so I'll be placing them here. I'll be having two bodies, which is my 5D Mark III and the 1DX. So this bag is so good. I might do a review about this in the future, because the good thing about this bag is that it has this. It's a laptop case, so I'm gonna put my laptop there. And the thing is, I'll be doing a same-day edit tomorrow, so that's why I'm gonna need a laptop. I'm gonna have all the photos dumped to my laptop, and will be edited there. Yeah. And what I have in my bag here is, yeah, we have the 1DX Mark II. We have two flashes. We have the 5D Mark III. I just placed the 135 f2. It's gonna be there the whole day. I'm just gonna change lenses on this. So I have this wide lens here because I was supposed to use this for vlogging, but since I started my vlog with this ORIG 100, I'm gonna use it later. Anyway, yeah, this is the 50mm 1.2, which is my favorite lens. The normal eye view. This one here is the 24-35 Sigma f2, which hasn't had a lot of hardcore action yet, but I use this for post-nups on videos. So good. Just heavy. So this one here is the 85 1.2, one of the favorites also. I got the 100 2.8L for the rings. That's just this, for the rings, for the post-nup, for the group shots, for most of the day. This one here is for the bigger group shots. This one's for the telephoto. So I've narrowed my gears down. I used to have the 70 to 200. I used to have I don't know what I have, but anyway, yeah, that's all I need. This part here is the headphones, which is, let me open it. It's hard to film when you're, this one here is the Bose noise cancelling headphones, because if you're in a reception, it's gonna be so noisy and you won't hear the music or the videos that you're editing, or shall I say the slideshow. So if you aren't hearing anything, you won't be able to edit it properly. That's it, simple as that. Anyway, what else do I need? I need to charge my batteries. I have 4 batteries for the 1DX Mark II. The 5th one is with Dawn. Batteries for the Mark III, I have to look for them. And yeah, basically that's it. 2 flashes, laptop. I'm not gonna bring this. I might use the RX 100 for vlogging tomorrow. I hope I can vlog, but I know it's gonna be a long day, so see how it goes. Maybe that's it. Should go out and play in the skates. What time is it? It's 6 p.m. and the sun's still up there high, so I'm just gonna go out and have some fun. Yeah. So I'm out again, skateboarding around the block. I was planning to jog, but I decided I might as well go skateboarding instead of jogging today. And yeah, I'm just around the block, just getting used to this entry on slow skateboard. And yeah, I'm going to the park now. And I'm just gonna go around the park. It's a nice relaxing day if you're gonna be out to work early, but the thing is, usually I end at around 6 and it gets dark, so it's hard. Whoa! I gotta put the board through. So yeah, I'm heading towards there, to the creek. Let's see how it goes. Oh shit. Yeah, I got myself an audio recorder, and I was recording my audio earlier while filming, because the RX 100 doesn't have good audio. It's really crappy. Problem is, I was so excited to get the audio, and I charged it in the office, and then I left it in the office. What the fuck? It's look at that. Fuck. I was supposed to go there, but I can't. I'm scared. I'm just gonna go back there. So back to what I was talking about. The thing is, yeah, I had audio recorded earlier. Problem is, I left it on my desk charging, so I can't use it. So yeah, it's a shame. Anyway, I'll be using the audio from this RX 100, and I was supposed to bring the 1DX now, but yeah, it started with the RX 100, so I might as well finish today with the RX 100. And I'm going back to the street now and jumping onto this shit. Where am I gonna go? Dogs in the park. Dogs in the park. So yeah, the dog's in the park. I miss my dog now. I need to go home. I need to start editing, and I'm in the middle of the road. It's a car. Shit. Far out. And I'm against the light, and you can see all black now. Motherfucker. Anyway, see you later. Just stop riding. It's a lovely day today. Apparently, as I sat down, both of us decided that we're gonna cook some pork tonight. So I'm gonna put some pork on my fork. I'm heading to Coles. I'm gonna buy something. Okay, as I arrived from skateboarding, Laura wants to eat something. We're not really that hungry, but we decided we're gonna eat some pork. So I'm gonna put some pork in our fork. That should be the right way. Anyway, I'm gonna go there and I'm gonna either grill or fry some pork. Bisaya style. Adobo Bisaya. Yeah. Okay. So I know it's gonna have crappy audio because again, I just can't get over. I left my audio recorder back in the office, but it's okay. It's good. Yeah, it's good. I need to go now. Oh, seatbelt safety. So that's my cheapo reverse cam. Lovely sunset today. And all the trucks passing by me. Yeah. And there's another truck. It's quite a lot. And that's fire. Avos, $3. My gosh. Looking for watermelons. Okay, I just came from Coles now, and I'm back home. Just got things to buy for dinner. And this is the white thing capping in. It's so dark in here. I can't see my face. Okay, so it's getting dark now, and I'm gonna start making dinner because it's really getting late, and I need to work on my stuff. Because you see, my table's like so crowded, and I need to pack up for tomorrow. So see you then.